We are the Faculty of Engineering Science, and we are located in Leuven, in the heart of Europe. And actually, the science has been added a few years ago to make the difference with the engineering technology. There are several engineering faculties at KU Leuven. And the small difference between engineering science and technology is, as the name says, here with us, engineering science is more science-oriented than the engineering technology faculty. And also from an academic curriculum point of view, the biggest difference is that in our curriculum, it is a 3-year bachelor program and 2-year master program. I'll come back to that in detail later on, whereas the engineering technology faculty has a 3-year bachelor program followed by a 1-year master. We have an experience of more than 150 years of engineering at KU Leuven, and we are very well ranked in several rankings throughout the world. We are 53rd in the Times Higher Education World University Rankings by the subject of engineering and technology, and 42nd in the overall KU Leuven ranking. QS ranking, we are 76th overall, and we've been elected several times as Europe's most innovative university. We have several locations. Actually, KU Leuven is a comprehensive university, meaning that we offer a broad range of study programs. The humanities and social sciences, they are located in the city center here in the white circle. Then we have the biomedical sciences group, and among them the medicine faculty, which is located around our university hospital. And then the science, engineering and technology group, which is located a little bit south of Leuven Center, where there are the 4 faculties of the science, engineering, technology group, among which also engineering science, so our faculty. How is the educational system at our faculty? So we have a 3-year bachelor's program, as mentioned, then a 2-year master's, followed by either a 1-year or a 2-year advanced master's program, or a PhD program, which is usually about 4 to 5 years. Now, the education at KU Leuven is based on active learning. That means we use future-oriented teaching methods, such as flipped classrooms. That means that students take time to go through the learning material before attending the lectures, and that allows them to use the contact hours for deeper assimilation on the subject matter. We also use peer assistant learning, and that actually means that senior students support newer students in refining their study methods and academic skills. And we also apply blended learning, so a combination of physical classes on campus and online courses via computer. Also, our method is based on project-based learning to create the future disciplinary self of the engineering student. And that means that the study programs we offer give relevant opportunities to work towards the kind of person that students want to be, and to enable students to define their future selves more clearly. The learning path we use throughout the 3 bachelor years and the 2 master years is based on knowledge development and skill development. Now, as to the international programs we offer, you can find detailed information on all the programs we offer at our faculty in the program guide on our website. When you go to onderwijsaanbod.ku-leuven.be and you click on the left-hand side, the English language programs of study, you can then select the Faculty of Engineering Science and expand the table just below to have a detail of all the programs we offer. Important for you to know is that on bachelor's level, all the programs we offer are taught in Dutch. So we have a general engineering science program throughout the 3 bachelor years and a separate architectural engineering program, but both are entirely in Dutch. What is in English are the programs that we offer on master level. We have 15 master's programs. They are all listed here. The first one you see is Architectuur, architectural engineering. It is mentioned here on the slide and in the program book in Dutch, but actually, because of the fact that the student population is international, there's always communication in English. Theoretically, from a theoretical point of view, the course material is registered as being in Dutch, but given the fact that the student population is international throughout all the master's programs that you see listed here, also for architectural engineering, actually, it is open to international students, and the spoken language is English. At the bottom of this page, you also see an Erasmus Mundus program that we have in nanoscience and nanotechnology, and 2 EIT KIC master's programs, one in energy and one in sustainable materials. At our faculty, we also offer advanced master programs that are all of these. Maybe interesting for you to know is that for the Master of Cybersecurity, there is a separate webinar also scheduled later today. Let me check here. That's at 2 p.m. This afternoon. So if you're interested in the Advanced Master of Cybersecurity, you can attend that session this afternoon as well. One thing I didn't mention in the previous slides, my apologies, for the initial masters, we will also have the first one that is listed here, the artificial intelligence. We will also have that as from next academic year as initial master's program. But I must say that at this point, it is not clear yet if that program will be offered in English or in Dutch. Now, the prerequisites to become a student at our faculty. You can check out the master program specific admission criteria in the program guide on our website. So the website that has already been mentioned previously, onderwijsaanbod.ku-leuven.be. When you then select the specific master program you are interested in, you can check the tab admission criteria, and there you find the details of the academic requirements specifically for that program. The language criteria we apply at the Faculty of Engineering Science are stricter than those that are indicated on the General KU Leuven website. We require a minimum score of 7 for English in IELTS and 94 of TOEFL. Cambridge Assessment English, we require a minimum score of 185. Now, for some master's programs, in order to be considered for admission, you are also required to submit a GRE test result that consists of analytical, verbal, and quantitative reasoning. At this moment, there is no minimum requirement for GRE scores, but also here, you can check out the specific admission criteria of the master program you are interested in to see what is required as to GRE minima. On a research level, As I've already mentioned, we have been elected several times Europe's most innovative university. And that also shows a bit in our ranking and in the figures. KU Leuven is marked 6th in the top 10 higher education institutions with 363 projects. 653 projects for 363 million euro funding from the Horizon 2020 projects. And we are here in a good company among University of Oxford, Cambridge, ETH Zurich in Switzerland, University College London, and after also Copenhagen University. The research at our faculty is organized on departmental level. The 7 departments you see listed here: architecture, civil engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, materials engineering, chemical engineering, and mechanical engineering. So we offer as well on the level of education as on research, we offer a wide range of engineering fields. Innovation and tech transfer at our science and engineering technology group. Within the group, we have 149 spin-off companies, nearing 7,000 direct jobs. And you see here an increasing number of the spin-off companies throughout the year. And also most of them are coming from the science, engineering, and technology group. Here you see some examples of the spin-offs we have here, and they cover actually several engineering fields in materials engineering, in computer science, in electrical engineering, in mechanical engineering. So all the different fields have several spin-offs here in Leuven. Some more examples in detail. The KU Leuven spin-off Reinforced produces 20,000 bicycle frames on an annual basis and is with that the first of its kind worldwide. Layerwise is a KU Leuven spin-off company that uses laser technology to produce the world's first patient-specific total lower jaw implant reconstruction. And NextAuth is a KU Leuven spin-off that is working on a highly secure and user-friendly mobile authentication solution. So these are 3 specific examples of the spin-offs that we have here in Leuven. KU Leuven Kick is actually the way of education that we organize here at KU Leuven. Because of the fact that we are a comprehensive university, it allows students, researchers, professors to elaborate their entrepreneurship because of the fact that engineering students, for example, also get in touch and work together with students from other faculties in different fields. It encourages them to elaborate the entrepreneurship. As to internationalization, so we have very international classrooms. The international students on a KU Leuven level make up 17% of the student population, with 23% within science, engineering, and technology. That's also visible here on this chart. The number of international students within our science, engineering, technology group was about 23,000, of which 75% is Belgian and 25% is international. And of that whole group within science, engineering, and technology, the engineering science, which is right here, makes up a very large group. So our student community is very international. We also work at KU Leuven with student ambassadors. So as prospective student, you can go to the student ambassador website to ask questions to international students that are already studying at KU Leuven. And they will answer these questions on a regular basis, refer you to other services, other offices maybe if necessary, but they can help you out with all kinds of different questions. So if you're considering coming to Leuven, don't hesitate to use that platform to get some additional information. Lastly, some practical information about studying in Leuven. Because of the fact that we have faculties throughout a large area in the city center, but also outside of the city center, we have several libraries and learning centers. And this is the picture of the Central University Library in the city center. Here on the right-hand side is the campus library here at Arenberg for the Faculty of Engineering Science. But we also have, for example, the Agora Learning Center. And then more for your leisure in your free time, we have a university sports center that offers a wide range of sports activities. You can sign up for a student card on a semester and a yearly basis, and then practice a sport that you like. You will also see when you come to Leuven that it is really cycling-friendly cities. You will see bikes all around. We have a well-developed cycling infrastructure, and actually it's the mean of transport that is used the most often by students to get around quickly and easily from one place to another. Other leisure activities that we offer, actually KU Leuven organizes a lot of students events throughout the whole academic year. These are some pictures of the student welcome at the start of the academic year, but throughout the whole year, several activities are organized, and also specifically for our faculty, we work together with our student union, VTK, that organizes a lot for students, also for international students, and to work also on the integration between the local and the international students. So a lot of activities are done to work on that integration as well. And because we're almost there, some nice pictures of Christmas in Leuven. With the nicely decorated town hall of Leuven on the right-hand side, and here the old market, the Oude Markt in Leuven, where you will find a lot of bars where you can go and have a drink, have a chat with some student friends. This is in detail the longest bar of Europe at the old market in Leuven. There are a lot of bars where you can hang around throughout the whole year. So that was the presentation for now. We look forward to welcoming you at KU Leuven very soon. If you have some specific questions for us, you can leave them in the chat. I would also like to draw your attention to the fact that later today there will be 2 more general webinars scheduled. There's one about study at KU Leuven that will take place at 1 p.m. and another one more specifically on application and admission at KU Leuven at 4 p.m. this afternoon. So that was it for me at this presentation of the Faculty of Engineering Science. If you have some more questions, feel free to ask them.